Hi, good evening. Welcome again. It's been a lot of time to have a uh, tutorial like this. So, I created a solution architecture diagram that has a straight of how the flow of the process of SAP migration to SQL Server. So, let's start. I will discuss briefly. Then, you can email me or you can uh, comment me in my video after this uh, after this discussion. So, first of all, I have two sources of data: over the counter and one IoT. It's mobile. So premises, the two workstations would be it comes from C language application and one for Twisted Python. So the Twisted Python is a framework, framework network driven for the connecting HTTP connections handler with both end-to-end endpoint. So it's a framework, yeah, for Python. So open library for open library framework for Python for network programming. So it's communicate with it is to translate the data queue, then it translates to twisted Python script function connection, then it will transfer to firewall as a accredited bypass IP address. Then it transfer to hot data. The hot data is called hot data. It is will be the active data from the transactions. So before I go further, so for FYI, hot data is active data. Cold data is queue, standby data. So it's hot data. It's transferred to SAP HANA, and the SAP HANA is composed of daily, monthly, rollback, and IoT. So daily, monthly, this is all the daily transactions, and monthly is a monthly report for all transactions of the bank, Samsung bank or commercial establishment. Then and rollback. Once you have a database, um, I mean issue or your database are full and it's a collapse or something happen and any other circumstances, you have a database alternative as well with rollback. You can back up and restore previous database image uh, for the to continue the business, to continue business transactions for the organization. So then IoT database belongs designated to also to mobile applications or Internet over Technology. So then after that, SAP HANA will be sources of SAP data services. So SAP data services will be the ETL service of SAP for data migrations to another RDBMS or SAP Assure or SAP HANA. So SAP HANA destination end-to-end point. So this time I created migration to data services. So SAP data service to data warehousing. This is SQL Server. So this is the data warehouse SQL Server. Then the SQL Server is sourcing for Power BI for reporting, Python for data analytics, and campaign data. So all these three is included in this front-end dashboard. So this will be the end-to-end data migration enterprise of a commercial organization or commercial or organization that has using SAP HANA database. So SAP HANA database is composed of memory storage database. So it's usually the 64 gigabyte. Then this partition is usually not a long time storage. It's a queue storage that need to transfer to another database that has been ready to do data warehouse. So that's all. If you have questions for that, um, just email me in jpam205@hotmail.com. Thank you.